So, I got Roger, pero onya Lola.
Ebuama, ekele m unu, ndewo unu, udo dịrị unu. Ọ ga-adịrị nwoke ma dịrị nwanyị mma. Anyị wụ ụmụnne ndị nọ n'Amerịka. Anyị wụ ndị ọrụ. Enwekwara ndị na-awụghị ndị ọrụ nyere anyị aka ka anyị bịa hụ unu. Anyị nwere piti ọyụ na ndị obodo anyị. Anyị bịara ka anyị nyere unu aka. All trained doctors, American trained doctors. So all ọnụ echebe pụta ya bụrụ na onye edere a ga-enye ọgwụ ya nọrọ nga ya were kaadị ya nye onye nọ nga ọgwụ ya dịghị ebi ewepụtara ya ọgwụ ya kpọ ya nye ya ya gwa nna nwe onye ọzọ ebiri onye anya na-eme nsogbu a ga-enye ọgwụ anya a ga-abụ ebe ọ ga-aga biko ugbu a a na-ewere ihe a nyefee onye ga na-akpọ ahụ onye na-akpọpụ ahụ ya ebilite. Thank you.
Chekube Aimibo.
All people.
Joseph. Felicia Okeke. Alice Wanda. Pepete Obiwuru. Chekube Aimibo. Joseph Okonkwo. Felicia Okeke.
One morning.
Can you just stay in one now?
Yeah, she'll come.
Onye biri ugbu a na-edebeghị aha ya biko gị bụ abịa ka ụzọ debere aha.
Send some.
So one morning, one night, twice a day for 3 days. So one, they have two one in the morning, one at night.
How would you wear? You're done with you. Okay, sorry. What is this?
My name is I'm from Michigan, Detroit, Michigan. Here's one name in the house. Yeah, I'm one of the medical staff here.
The mission was a success. Excellent, well organized. The people here are great.
How do you feel this is
He's who's our chairman, Dr. Bokri, who's our medical director.
Now, here, very low. Actually, the doctor in America, no more. Then you're in Ayaka.
Come on, help us.
Then you're in Ayaka. We need it. We need it. You have seen Turkey for yourself.
Yes, I've seen.
What went on today at this Egoma Health Center?
Yes.
See how the crowd of the people.
we treated and saw more than almost 400 people today. We need as much assistance as we can get. We have so many medical doctors in US from all over. Those of us who always volunteer, not necessarily we don't have utilize our own time to do our own business. But this is a sacrifice to benefit our people. So as far as today's medical mission, it's a huge success. The arrangements, the planning were excellent. And because we have somebody on the ground, Lord, and they said, I'm very grateful, and I'm very grateful to all who did what they did. We were well hosted, and their hospitality and the coordinator. He has been with our USF since the inception of our USF.
Oh, okay.
He worked with Chris Anyam Ogologo, and now he's working for me. So he's a part of really part of the group. Okay. I trust everything. As far as logistics, I always trust my logistics to get it completed before I arrive here.
Oh, nice.
So he has been doing a great job. I'm the medical doctor, ever since I started being the chairman, I've been working with me, and he has done a great job. So please stay the course. You are doing a great job. Yes. We will keep using you when we come back.
you.